Alright, well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the key battery in a 2025 Volkswagen BUZZ. So the new BUZZ. So you're going to want a pocket screwdriver, like just a small flathead screwdriver will work. And then just come in here. You're going to press this little side button here. We're going to take out the mechanical key. And this is just kind of to pop up this back cover so we don't scratch the edge or anything. So I'm going to use it from the inside here and just push up on the back cover a little bit right here. Grab it with my finger and I can pull it off like that. All right, with the back cover off, you just want to come back right here with your small flathead screwdriver or a pick, and you pop the battery out. It's a CR2032 battery if you're looking for a battery to order. So just take your new battery and you're going to put it positive side up. You want to take it and you're going to kind of push it under right here. So you take it from here and then you push downward and back towards you until it kind of clips in like that. And it'll clip in under these two clips right here. So it's in there good now, so you're all good. Take the back little cover here. We're just going to pop it back on. It's popped on. And you can take your mechanical key, you just slide it back in till you hear a little click like that, and you're good. All right, well, thank you for watching this video today. Hope you found this video helpful.